Welcome to Techlearners. In today's lecture, we will discuss some more programs on string handling. In previous lectures, we talked about string handling in Java. We talked about string class and methods that are available in string class and string buffer class and methods that are available in string buffer class. To know these string handling methods more clearly, we must write some programs in the string handling concept. So let's discuss our second program for the string handling. Input a sentence and print first letter of each word separated by full stop. So how the input will be, let's say we input a sentence, I love my channel Techlearners. Then what should be the output? Each first letter should be capitalized, separated by full stop. So this is I, then full stop, L, full stop, M, full stop, C, full stop, and T, and in the last there should be no full stop. For that we have to implement a special condition. Now let's see the logic to solve this simple Java program. In the logic, first we will input a sentence, then we will convert the sentence to uppercase using touppercase method that is available into string class. Then we can display the uppercase sentence. After that we will add a space in the beginning of the sentence, as I have told in the previous program that this is an important step that we have to usually follow in string handling whenever we are working with words. The next step that we will find out the length of the sentence. This can be done with the help of the length function available in the string class. Then we will declare a char c, and now we will run the loop from 0 to length minus 1. Inside the loop we will extract each character that is at index I, that means one by one we will extract characters. Then we will check if the character is a space. That means if the character is a space, the next character will be the first character of next word. So now we will check whether the character is a space. Then this is one more condition that we have talked about, that there should be no full stop at the end after this T. So this is the condition that is checking whether we have reached to the last word or not. So if I is equal to length minus 1, that means we have reached the end of the string. That means now we do not need to add a full stop. In that case we will simply print char at I plus 1, otherwise we will print char at I plus 1 and a full stop. So let's see this in a Java program, how this problem can be solved with the string methods. So this is the Java program. I have used the scanner class to accept the input from the user using the object of this scanner class, and with the method of next line we can accept the sentence from the user and store into a string s. The next is we need to convert this s into uppercase. This can be done with the help of the touppercase method available into string class. Now once we have converted this string into uppercase, we need to append a space before the statement. So just to append, we will use this append operator and a space before the statement. So now in st we have uppercase statement already appended with a space. Next step, we need to find out the length of that string. So that can be done with the help of the length function available into the string class. And also we need to find out the last index of the space. This is to implement the special condition that after the last capital character we will not use that full stop. So for that we will be using the last index of the space that we will store in int. So that will tell that we have reached to the last word, and after that we will not append the full stop. Now we need to start the loop. Loop will begin from 0 to less than length. Inside the loop we will extract the characters of the string one by one using char at method. This is available into the string class. we will pass the parameter I. In this way, with the loop, we will be getting each character one by one, and we will be storing the character into ch. Now we will check if ch is a space. That means we are just before beginning of the word. So that means from the next character the word is beginning. So we will check if this I is IND. This is the special condition. That means we are checking whether we have reached to the last word or not. So if index is equal to I, that means we have reached to the last word. So in that case, we simply print the character at I+1, and if it is not, that means in the else part we will simply printing the character with a full stop. So if we have not reached to the last word, we are just printing the first character of the word with a space, and if we have reached to the last word, that means we are printing only the first letter of the word. So now let me compile. Now let me execute this and show the output of this program and how the program is working. So I need to input the sentence, I am learning through Techlearners. So this is my sentence. Let me put enter. So you can see the first letter of I capitalized, full stop, then A full stop, L full stop, similarly T and last T, and you can see after the last T there is no full stop. So this is the way how we can solve this given program. I hope you have understood this program. We have used some important methods that are available in string class, like to uppercase to capitalized, length to get the length of the sentence, last index of to get the index of last space in the sentence, and char add method to extract the characters from the string. If you are not aware about these methods, you can watch my videos based on string methods and string buffer methods. So I hope you liked the solution, you liked the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel for more videos, and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you so much.